Hello guys, so in this video we are going to see class 9th Hindi chapter number 2 Gane wali Chidiya. Okay, so in this video we will talk about chapter number 2 Gane wali Chidiya question answer. This is related to Telangana state board also and also as Andhra board because both state board is totally same. So let's come. If you see here, this is our face sheet. Okay, so if you see the face sheet, there is a question is there. So question is given here. So there is a 3 questions given. We will see that question also, and this Upadesh and Chhatro ke liye Suchna, this is not very important, so we will not see that. Okay, so let's go next. If you come next here, you can see here there is a stories is starting from here. Okay, after that stories is starting. So I think you also read that story, so we will not see the story, we will see the question answer. Okay, so let's go on. So if you come here, you can see this is the our questions. Okay, so this is our question number this prashna ka uttar bataiye. You will see this one, and also this one, this 4th question also. After that, if you go, this is the E is there. Okay, we will see E also, and this E also, anuched par ka prashna ka uttar dijiye, we will see this also. Okay, so let's see here, and then after we will see that one also. Okay, R1 and R1, this also we have to see. Okay, after that if you come, we will see that's all the question whatever present in this. Okay, so maybe there is one something here. Okay, so after that if you go, this is the bhasha ki baat. Okay, so bhasha ki baat also we have to see. Bhasha ki baat we also see, and this this one we have to see. Okay, after that E1 also, this one. Okay, after that okay, I'm sorry. So after that we will see Prayojan Kar. Okay, so this is Prayojan Kar. Prayojan Kar means project work. Okay, project work. Okay, so project work we have to see also. So till here whatever present in this, till here we will see. Okay, so now let's move to our answer. Okay, so you can see here, this is our chapter number 2 Gane wali Chidiya, and it is a question. We already see the question, and this is our answer. Okay, so if you come here, you can see this is our face sheet, as you can see there in the textbook, and this is 3 question answer. So I already told you in the face sheet there is a 3 questions given, and this is that 3 answer, first one, second one, and third one. Okay, so if you want to write this, just push the video and write. Okay, I hope it's clear because this is given in Telugu and Hindi also. Okay, so after that if you come, this is word meaning. Okay, so don't worry, so the word meaning is something I show you, so don't confuse in this. Okay, so this is like that. I try to scroll. Okay, so I hope it's visible. Okay, because it is not visible, then just go to the quality and increase from there. Okay, so don't worry about it. Okay, so this is a PDF, so you can easily understand. Alright, so here is a Telugu is in this Telugu there is something is given. So do you want to read in Telugu? You can read, otherwise just leave it, because this is your native language. Okay, so this is a native language of Telangana. Okay, so this is very easy to read, so you have to read, otherwise just leave it. Okay, the person you want to read, otherwise just skip that. Okay, let's go ahead. Okay, so after that there is in Telugu something, it's not looking good because it's for blinking. Okay, so here is our question answer is starting. Okay, so if you get confused and match with your textbook, is adgrat pratigra. Okay, so this is our first question, prashna ka uttar bataiye. This is first question, kuch pakshiyon ke naam bataiye. Okay, so this is the answer is given here, also in Telugu, also in Hindi, so you can read. Okay, the second answer is here. Okay, संगीत मनोरंजन का एक साधन है, इसके बारे में अपना विचार बताइए. ओके, एंड ऑल्सो हैज तेलुगु में भी दिया है, यू कैन बी ऑल्सो रीड. ओके, सो दिस इज R1. ओके, पाठ के आधार पर वाक्य को सही क्रम में लिखें. ओके, सो दिस इज द क्वेश्चन. सो दिस 4th one is question and answer is here. First one 3, second one 1, fourth one 1, and this is like sahi kram, matlab ki we have, it means that first we have to, which one is coming first. So here this is the first one is third number, first one second one first number, third one fourth number, and fourth one second number. Okay, so I hope you understand. Okay, so after that this is the E1, किसने किसको कहा. Okay, so this is the question is given here, and I hope you can see the answer. This is the answer. Okay, so this is the answer. It's a question, and this one answer. Okay, so I hope it's visible for you. Okay, so let's go next. And if you come next, there is a अनुच्छेद पद का प्रश्न उत्तर. This is like paragraph is given, you have to answer. So this is the answer. Okay, this is a 3 answer. Okay, so answer is here. Okay, so this one is the answer. Okay, question answer is here also. You can match, don't confuse in that. Okay, all right, so let's go next. Okay, so after that question is completing here. So then after अभिव्यक्ति सृजनात्मक is given here, and this one is in प्रश्न के उत्तर तीन वाक्यों में दीजिए. So here is given. Okay, मजदूर और किसानों की दिस इज दशा सुधारने के लिए हमें क्या करनी चाहिए. सो हियर देखो थोड़ा सा क्या होगा हियर, आई वांट टू से इन हिंदी. सो यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा ब्लिंकिंग हो गया है. आई मीन समथिंग इट इज़ इन लाइक कलर इज़ गॉन फॉर स्कैनिंग टाइम. सो यू हैव टू कीप मैनेज हियर. Okay, so then after it's Telugu is given here. You can translate with Hindi also. Okay, or otherwise any language you can translate. Okay, so let's go next. If you come next here, राजा ने चिड़िया के लिए सोने का पिंजरा बनवाया था. आपकी नज़र में चिड़िया के पिंजरे में रखना उचित था, क्यों? ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे आंसर है उसका. ठीक है ना. ओके, सो लेट्स सी इन तेलुगु में आंसर यहाँ पे है. All right. Okay, so this is the third one. दूसरे के काम आने में जीवन का सच्चा सुख निहित है. इसके बारे में अपने विचार बताइए. We have to read about you. Okay, so यहाँ पे आंसर है उसका. ठीक है. Okay, सो तेलुगु में भी आप लिख सकते हो. और उसके बाद गाने वाली चिड़िया पाठ के सारांश अपने शब्दों में लिखे. तो मतलब इसका सारांश लिखना है. वी हैव टू राइट अबाउट सारांश. सो आप लिख सकते हो खुद से नहीं लिखना है. ठीक है, आंसर देख के लिखना है. डोंट राइट विथ योरसेल्फ, यू हैव टू सी द आंसर एंड राइट. ओके, सो सी हियर. आई होप इट्स क्लियर फॉर यू. ओके, बिकॉज यू नो व्हेन आई शो विथ यू टेक्स्ट बुक. सो टेक्स्ट बुक से दिखाने में क्या होता था एक्चुअली, इट्स समटाइम्स वीडियो क्लैरिटी इज़ नॉट गुड बिकॉज लॉट्स ऑफ द पीपल कंप्लेन मी फॉर एक्चुअली द वीडियो क्लैरिटी इज़ नॉट क्लियर. बिकॉज ऑफ दैट आई जस्ट प्रोवाइड you like that. Okay, so because its clarity is very clear here. Okay, so actually in the scanning time there is something up and down, so I try to fix it next time. Okay, so यहाँ पे है नीति मजदूर किसानों के लिए समथिंग. अच्छा, आंसर ओनली. सो आई वांट टू मेक श्योर हियर, डोंट कंफ्यूज, कीप योर टेक्स्ट बुक विथ योर सेल्फ एंड मैच द क्वेश्चन. ओके, सो आई होप you are able to read right. Okay, so you are 9th class students, you have a good idea about Hindi, right? Okay, so here is a Telugu is given in Telugu. So if you read in Telugu, then you can understand Hindi more better. Okay, so Hindi is a very common language in India. Okay, so you have to read right Hindi, because in India whenever you go to the other state, easily you can convince with. Okay, in our South India only, if you want to go change our Telangana state and Telugu state, then if you go to the Karnataka and they're mostly speaking language Hindi only. Okay, so Hindi is compulsory. All right, so this is E1. गाने वाली चिड़िया पाठ का कोई एक अनुच्छेद संवाद के रूप में लिखिए. ओके, this is you can say convection, like something between us. Okay, so here is given. All right. Okay, so is it in Telugu here? So do you want to be read? You read, otherwise just leave it, just post the video and write. Okay, so if you come here, this is the गीत और संगीत का हमारे जीवन में बड़ा महत्व है, इस पर अपने विचार लिखें. सो दिस इज क्वेश्चन इज़ इन तेलुगु एंड हिंदी में यहाँ पे है. ठीक है, सो आप देख सकते हो हिंदी में शायद क्लियर ही है. ठीक है। यहाँ पे 2 4 6 2 10 11 पॉइंट्स हैं, मे बी 11 पॉइंट्स गिवन है यहाँ पे, ठीक है। ओके, सो यहाँ पे तेलुगु में भी है, आप देख सकते हो, ठीक है। यू कैन ईजिली कैन कन्वर्स विथ तेलुगु ऑल्सो, राइट। सो आफ्टर दैट इफ़ यू कम हियर, भाषा की बात, ठीक है। सो दिस इज़ आवर भाषा की बात। सो यहाँ पे आंसर है उसका, हिंदी में थोड़ा ब्लिंकेड है, सो मे बी ठीक ही है, ले देखे आपको थोड़ा सा फोकस करना पड़ेगा ज़्यादा, ठीक है। सो यहाँ पे आ है, अनुच्छेद पढ़िए, रेखांकित विभक्ति पर ध्यान कीजिए, ओके। सो यहाँ पे देख सकते हो, ठीक है। ऑलराइट, सो दिस इज तेलुगु में भी है, हिंदी में। यहाँ पे बेनिफिट हमको क्या है, व्हाट इज द बेनिफिट हियर, इट इज़ इन तेलुगु ऑल्सो एंड हिंदी ऑल्सो, सो इट्स वेरी इजी टू यू टू अंडरस्टैंड, ओके। दिस E1, okay, so E1 का आंसर यहाँ पे, so E1 in this there is a, this is the question, okay, this is the question and answer is here, okay, answer is here, all right. Okay, so if you come here in E1, this one also, so this is question and answer is here, okay। ने को, के लिए को, ठीक है, के लिए क्या, okay, something, all right। Now let's go next, and this is a position card. Position card means nothing but it's activity, so you can see here activity is here, okay। So I have to make it a small something, so you can see position card, okay। So our chapter number 2 is totally completed here, whatever question answer and bhasha ki baat and position card like project work is totally completed here, whatever present in this chapter number 2 is totally completed, okay। So we will meet a next video. Jai Hind.